presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Rebel. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include diamond black crystal pearl coat, quick order package 27W Rebel included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVTe torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, body color door handles, diamond black crystal pearl coat, monotone paint, black tubular side steps, spray and bed liner, black appearance package included, black front bumper with black plate, black exterior truck badging, black outline mustache grille texture, 3 monotone paint instrument cluster theme, 5 Rebel 2 wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches gloss black headlamp bezels, body color door handles, Ram grille badge, black, gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds and engine, 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVTe torque included, active noise